Hello guys, you use smartphone Spark Tecno Spark 6 model KE7 version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Open box, look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot, okay, and this we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, headphones and micro USB cable. Device made of plastic, backside quad camera LED and fingerprint scanner, on the front side 6.8-inch display, front camera, talk speaker, on this side power key and volume keys, this side slot for nano SIM card, 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside micro USB port, speaker, micro USB port, microphone and headphones jack. Display IPS HD resolution, Open Geekbench 5, CPU MediaTek MT6769, 6 plus 2 cores, GPU Mali G52, resolution and display PPA, look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, look onto the benchmark result. Onto the benchmark result. In ranking we have 96 place about. '93 place, okay. Close this and start demanding digital Sunrise on the maximum graphic level. It's maximum graphic level, game works very smooth, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main 16+16+2+2 camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.